In today's video, we're gonna explore a collection of Blender add-ons designed to enhance your 3D environments with natural, lifelike vegetations and landscapes. Whether you are working on indoor spaces, outdoor scenes, or complex environment designs, I think these assets and tools will help you a lot in creating realistic and detailed environments with ease. And we're gonna start with Indoor Scapes, which is an impressive collection of indoor vegetation assets that will definitely elevate the realism of your scenes, especially 3D interiors. The library includes 24 different species, totaling over 183 individual plants, shrubs, and bushes, which is honestly more than you will ever gonna need to create beautiful and lifelike interiors. And what makes the Indoor Scapes stand out is the attention to detail, because each model is carefully handcrafted to mirror something that exists in real life. And these assets use photo-scanned PBR textures and clean topology to ensure that they look amazing when rendered. Also, this assets library works with a couple of render engines, which are Cycles and Eevee, but the add-on also supports Octane and LuxCore, so keep that in mind. And what I really like about the library is that it is fully integrated into Blender's asset browser, allowing you to drag and drop models directly into your project in just a matter of seconds. Finally, the library of course is organized in categories, and each model includes height information, making it easy to scale everything perfectly. Now that you have set up those lush interior environments with Indoor Scapes, it is now time to step outside and bring some nature into your scenes with Treescapes. As you probably can tell, Treescapes is a library for adding realistic and animated broadleaf trees, especially to your ArchViz and environment renders. The collection offers over 17 species of fully animated and render-ready trees, each with up to 9 unique variations. And what's great about the pack is the built-in animations that can make your trees sway naturally with the wind, adding a dynamic touch to your projects. And on top of that, you can choose between static plants, wind-affected still plants, or fully dynamic trees with loopable animations at 150 frames and 30 FPS, giving your scenes that extra wanted level of realism. And to keep everything running smoothly, the free LODify add-on converts these trees into proxy models with just a couple of clicks. In addition, with the TerraScape Manager, you can easily adjust wind speed, strength, and the level of detail, making these trees a really nice addition to any project that needs a touch of greenery. After bringing those broadleaf trees to life with Treescapes, let's shift gears to a more tropical setting with Islandscapes. And of course, we are still with the same developer, so you can expect the same attention to detail and features found in both Treescapes and Indoor Scapes. However, Islandscapes is a beautiful collection with tropical plants, palms, and big leafy greens that you can add to your outdoor scenes. Now, what really makes the Islandscapes stand out are the fully animated plants, which I think make them come to life. Also, managing these assets is pretty simple, thanks to the TerraScape Manager, which allows you to tweak the scale, rotation, and even randomize placements to keep things looking natural and imperfect, which is important in any project. And just like the Treescapes, Islandscapes include a built-in level of detail options to keep your viewport running smoothly even in complex and large-scale environments. And following our tropical journey in Islandscapes, let's shift focus now to a bit drier, a lot drier, but stunning environments with Desertscapes. And similar to Islandscapes and the other asset packs, this collection is also from the same developer. In Desertscapes, you can find desert plants, trees, and cacti, which is perfect for adding that arid, sun-baked vibe of your scenes. The library includes 26 species, each with up to 8 variations, giving you plenty of options to create diverse and realistic desert environments. And one of the best features of this pack is its compatibility with Geoscatter 5, including 22 custom-made desert compositions that can be scattered across your scenes in a short period of time, making it super easy to get fast results. And this one also offers both static and dynamic plants, with the dynamic ones feature loopable animations at 24 or 30 frames per second. And whether you are using Eevee or Cycles, the principled BSDF materials in this pack work with both render engines, which is really nice to have. Now, after exploring the dry landscapes with DesertScapes, it is now time to turn our attention to something a bit greener with GrassScapes, which offers 25 species of fully animated and render-ready ornamental grasses. And unlike many model packs that we use as single model, each species in this collection comes with up to 8 distinct variations, adding a natural diversity to your grassy environments. And this pack is fully compatible with Geoscatter, featuring 25 custom-made grass compositions that can be scattered across your scenes in a short period of time. Now let's take our greenery and vegetation to new heights with VerticalScapes. You got it? I hope you did. You know, heights and VerticalScapes. Anyways, this pack can be ideal for any vertical greenery needs, allowing you to create stunning and photorealistic green walls that are especially good for exterior renders. The pack or the collection offers 39 plant species, each with multiple variations, giving you many possibilities for designing beautiful green walls. And as usual, it is compatible with Geoscatter, featuring 30 custom-made green wall designs that can be added to your scene in a short period of time. After exploring the vertical greenery with VerticalScapes, let's dive into the lush and tame beauty of the jungle with a collection or a library called JungleScapes. This collection of various jungle assets can be perfect for making tropical jungles in Blender, whether for ArchViz, film, or your personal animations. It includes 27 different species of rich vegetation, including towering tropical trees, sprawling grasses, and large-leaved shrubs. And to make it even better, each species comes with multiple different variations, ensuring your jungle scenes can look diverse and natural, you know. And just like the other add-ons, this one comes with animated assets, bringing your scenes to life with realistic and loopable animations ranging from 150 to 170 frames, depending on the plant's complexity. Last but not least, we have CreeperScapes for Blender. This one provides a nice solution for creating anything from lush landscapes to post-apocalyptic scenes, which can be great, of course, for any detail and realism to your projects. The CreeperScapes offer 21 species, creeper and vine plants, totaling 473 models, each with up to 45 variations, which is just insane. This variety allows you to create natural, diverse scenes, of course with ease and within a short period of time. And it can be useful for vertical gardening and to create realistic environments in general. And here's the thing, it has customizable structure, so the fragment plants patches can be easily manipulated to fit any scene, offering flexibility that rigid single mesh models cannot match. The leaves are also physically accurate and naturally changing the color over time, which can be controlled by a single map for easy color variation adjustments. And as you might expect, this one also works with cycles and Eevee. And there you have it, guys. If you are interested in these add-ons, collections and stuff, you will find all the necessary links in the description. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. You can also check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.